All right, this video is going to show you how to configure your RydeWizz account so you can enter data. We're going to log in with the demo account. Username is demo, password is demo. Log in, and we're going to go to company general settings. Here you got your premium account. If you don't know how to do that, I have another video that you can watch for that. Look in my YouTube channel, and you'll see how to do that. Okay, so let's go down the line. So first, you're going to want to create a customer, so you can schedule the customer. To do that, you would go add customer, give it the insurance. And last name is just creating a name here. So the username and password is only in case you want your customer to log in to create their own appointments through the website. We can skip that for now. Create a date of birth. It'll let you do that, or you can just create one as well too. Phone numbers are masked. Okay, and then you can create comments about the patient, create diagnosis codes, upload a file or picture, hit save. If you guys are doing ambulance transports, you can also put attachments here, confirmations, authorizations, repetitive PCS, insurance cards, anything like that, and then you can make those, give them a time frame for expiration as well. All right, so now we have created another customer. Now we have two customers. Again, this is in demo mode, so you're welcome to log in there via demo, and play around. Here are some employees. You can provide their picture, and these are the different rights you can give the employees. Social security numbers, date of birth. This username and password is for your employees to log in, either through the website or the RydeWizz app. And so you can also create employee events. You can do write-ups, kudos, notes, termination letters, driving records, immunizations, precepting, drug screen, driver's license, anything that you would like to create about them, you can do here. You go to add employee event, create that here, and then you can search per employee on different things that you may have entered in here. So you're going to need customers, you're going to need employees, you're going to need vehicles. These are all things you're going to need prior to creating an appointment and dispatching. So I'm not going to go over how to create an event, a vehicle, but it's self-explanatory. Just to go vehicle, add. Here you can also manage any mechanic invoices or any daily reports or anything of that sort with your vehicles. This will help you track your employees via the mobile app. We'll get into that in other videos. I'm going to go over equipment. We're going to go over insurance because you're going to need at least one insurance. Here we have Medicare. So you want to make sure you say that is Medicare. If you're going to be billing insurances, you need to create a dummy account that just says insurance. And then you'll send all your insurances to where you're integrated with Waystar, so you can send those to Waystar. But just create an insurance and just name it insurance and put them all in there. Destinations, you're going to need at least one destination. The one destination that you're going to need is, for example, a patient's residence. On the patient's residence, you're going to need to check mark this one. for patient's residence. So when you go create a schedule, if it's going back to the patient's residence, then you select patient's residence, and then that will use the address inside the customer's address to put whether they're going back home or coming from home and going somewhere else. So make sure you create at least one patient's residence with this check mark for a patient's residence. Okay, so once you've done that, then you're ready to create an appointment. Mike Smith is the one we just created. He's going from Berkeley to home, and that's going to go off of the patient's home address. The date, we'll do today. And here you can select multiple dates. So for example, we got a dialysis patient. You can do that. So for the mileage and times, if you hit calculate times, once you put in your here API, your calculate times is going to work. So hit calculate times, and it's going to use the here API, and it will schedule that, do that for you. Not sure why these aren't coming through, but normally that would, because we haven't given it a time. So it calculates that based on the time. So this is TTLO, time to leave office. It's going to know in your settings, you should be entering where your office is, and it's going to tell you pretty much you got 15 minutes from your office to go to this appointment. So, and then it's going to also calculate your pickup time. It's going to calculate how long it takes from your office to go to that destination, to this destination, and then it's going to figure out from destination to destination. So from this address to this address. All right. And these are for ambulance billing. So you have your ICD-10, your modifiers, and then you can select your insurance to bill. So we'll hit save. And I meant to make that round trip. If you hadn't made that round trip, then under the schedules, you would see these are all the dates that we created. So we created multiple records for this patient. If they had selected round trip, then it would also create the B-leg, but you can also create the B-leg here like this. Nice, quick, and simple. Says you're got 0 miles, but we didn't hit calculate time, so that's why it says 0 miles. All right, so now we've created multiple appointments. Now we can go into here and view our transports. Actually, those were not ambulance transports. Those were regular van transports that I created. So here we go. Now we have transports. And so now what you need to do is create your driver list so you can assign them to the transport. There you go. Now you have, this is the unit that you're going to be using for that day. That driver and unit are assigned to this transport. And currently that is not running. And they can use, your drivers can use the mobile app to do pickups, drop-offs, navigate to and from the from and to destination, and they can get their signature. This is not the mobile app. This is our website that dispatchers will use, but you can view what they're doing through this button right here. But the mobile app will look different for your drivers. So you can download that mobile app on the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. So that demonstration walks you through how to create, how to configure your system and create your first appointment.